Today we're gonna be learning. What's up, guys? This is Jensy, and welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing basics of eyeshadow. Only gonna be using 3 colors for a natural brown look. So for my brushes, the brush that I'm gonna be using is not as fluffy as a lot of YouTubers use. I don't know this specific brush, but it really works for me. That's what I use for everything else, like putting it on and blending and everything. So the makeup palette I'm using is the Profusion Cosmetics, and it's in the Bear because I like all neutral colors, and it's perfect for this tutorial because not a lot of people know how to do their eyeshadow just yet. Neutral colors is always best to practice on yourself, especially for those who doesn't really wear makeup every day. It's perfect to be using neutral colors just like these colors. Whatever palette that you have and you're comfortable with, it's totally fine for now. It's completely fine to be buying those drugstore makeup to practice, so I highly recommend you doing that first before you buy like a high-end makeup to practice. It's always good to practice first. If you want to learn, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, after we did all our makeup, our foundation, our concealer, our lips, our eyebrows, make sure before you do your eyeshadow, make sure you actually don't have excess hair on your eyebrows. I recommend doing that way before you do your makeup with a clean face. To start with, I am using a peachy color for my base. Then, with the feathery strokes right below my eyebrow bone, or contouring the upper bowl of my eye. I try to do the windshield wiper strokes to get that good base. Now imagine having a line from the end of your eye line to the end of your eyebrow. That will be your end line with your eyeshadow. Just try keeping it within the line. It's blending time. Go in circle motion when blending the sharp lines or solid lines of your makeup. With the second eyeshadow, I am using dark brown for shadow effect or shaping the eye. Start from the end of your eyelid to the middle contour of your eye, leaving the center bright for our next last step. Don't forget to blend again in circle motion to get rid of the sharp lines or solid colors. Now I am using shimmery yellow or gold. Make sure the center of your eyeball on your eyelid has to be a bright color to have that highlight effect. It will bring your eye shape forward and highlights all the colors on your eyelid. Here, I am adding some of my shimmery gold on my inner corners to brighten up my eyes and kinda making it look bigger. With my dark brown, I am adding it from the end of my under eye to the middle to make my eyes look bigger. Make sure to blend connecting the colors from the eyelid to the bottom. This is the finished look of my eyeshadow. I also did my eyeliner, and that would be on my second video. So if you want to learn how to do your eyeliner as well, it's going to be linked down below or at the end of this video. So if you see a value in this video, just click the like button below, and of course to get all the notifications when I upload again, just click the bell button, and of course support your girl, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. I'll see you on my next one.